Hi, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. Let's start our guide on maximizing profits during the mid-year sale with discount cap. It's a time of excitement with customers rushing to grab the best deals. However, unlimited discounts often lead to shrinking profits for merchants. This is a critical challenge to address. The problem is that discounts often grow proportionally with cart size, putting merchants at risk of losing their margins. So by adding a discount cap, you can control the maximum discount applied. For example, 40% off up to a $250 maximum. Implementing discount caps offers several key benefits for your business. Firstly, it helps you keep large cart discount in control, preventing excessive reduction on high value purchases. Secondly, you can protect your margins while still increasing sales volume, striking a balance between profitability and growth. So if you want to set up a cap discount like this in your Shopify store, watch this video completely without skipping. Before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more seasonal tips. For setting up a cap discount in Shopify, I'm using Next Discount app, which is available from the Shopify App Store. If you need, I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. You can check it out and follow along. After installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on Create New Discount. Now you can choose the discount code as your discount type and add for any discount code. Let's try with 30% off as our code here. I'm planning to give a 30% off with the capping amount of 200. So this capping amount will make sure that our discount amount will never go beyond 200. Even if the 30% of the cart value is higher than 200, this capping amount will make sure that the maximum discount will never exceed $200. And you can also apply your discount to all the products or a specific collection or a specific products. And if you have any minimum purchase requirement, you can set it over here. I'm not adding any minimum purchase requirement for now. And in case of customer eligibility, you can set it for all the customers or customer having some tag or only on first home customers like that. And you can also limit the usage of your code as you limit the number of times the discount can be used in total. And also limit the usage of this code per customer only one time. And if you have any start date, start time, end date and end time, duration of your active dates, if you are planning to run your mid-year year sale through the 10 days or a week or a month, and those timings and dates you can set up here. And you can also combine the discount with the existing ones like product discount, order discount or a shipping discount. After adding all the details, you can save it. Now let's check whether our code has been activated. So from the discount section, you can say that the flat 30% off has been activated successfully. Now let's test our setup in the online store. So let's try to buy a product of 234. Let's add this to the cart. I'm applying the code here. Now you can see that the 30% of 234, which is 70, has been applied successfully. Now this customer will be getting correct amount of 30% of their cart size. And now let's try with some other products. So I am trying to buy a product of worth 5,000 and I'm adding our code here. Now you can see that the 30% of the 5,000 is greater than 200. Since we have capped our discount at 200, this capping amount makes sure that this maximum discount will never exceed 200 and the maximum discount that a customer will be getting only up to 200. So this is how you set up a flat 30% off with capping amount as 200 on your mid-year sale. So what you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Also, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.